Out of 50, our next question is 31 question. So this one is a operant power and as well as power factor. So what is a operant power? In the sense, it is a total power. So total power in the sense, operant power is a total power in the circuit. It is denoted by S letter. Units for operant power is volt amperes. So total power in the sense, whatever it may be the power we need to operate any equipment, that power only we can consider as a operant power. Okay. So here operant power S is equal to V into I. Sometimes we can take that one is S is equal to root P square plus Q square. It's mean real power and as well as reactive power. Our next question is power factor. So power factor means the cosine of phase angle between voltage and current is also called as a power factor. So another definition for power factor is a measure of degree to which a given load matches that of a pure resistance. Always we are maintaining unity power factor. Whenever we are maintaining unity power factor, in the sense we can get a desired value at load end. Whenever we are taking inductive elements at load end, we can get just a lagging power factor. So whenever we are taking at load end, we are taking a capacitive loads or a capacitive components. At that particular condition, we can get a leading power factor. So here power factor is equal to resistance by impedance, that is equal to R by Z, or otherwise one more formula also there for power factor, cos pi is equal to P by Q, that is equal to real power by reactive power.